Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. Today should be a shorter video than usual. Today I have got an unboxing to do. It is some mystery treats from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. They are the Halloween mystery treats. I bought 4 of them at $6 each, like I said. So we are gonna see what I got, if it was worth the money, and all of that good stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then hang tight because I'm getting right into it. Okay, so they are packaged up very nicely. In this box here, you get a card in here that is not talking about it, just gives you a promo for the JeffreeStarCosmetics.com. This looks like his skincare line. I didn't get any of the Halloween mystery boxes, so I just thought I would buy some of the mystery treats. They didn't do the $12 mystery treats. Usually I buy like 2 $12 and 2 $6 mystery treats. So okay, so enough talk, let's go ahead and get on into this. Okay, so I've got a little packing ticket in here. Okay, first thing we got is looks like one of his lipsticks, one of his bullet lipsticks. What are they called? I don't know. It's a velvet trap lipstick. That's what they're called. And this is in the shade Drill Sergeant. So yeah, we are gonna see what kind of color this is. Oh, okay. That is very, very interesting color. And there we go, kind of a brown, grayish brown color. Let's see, I don't know if I can pull that off. Let's do a little test run. Okay, I do love how his velvet trap lipsticks do feel. And yeah, this isn't a bad color. Let me try putting a little bit of gloss on top of that. Yeah, doing that makes it look even better. So yeah, very nice. Okay, so yeah, I'm doing a little lip like that. Very cute, very cute. Okay, I'm excited. What do we have next in here? Okay, all right. So we've got some mascara. What color is this going to be? I hope this is the black. Yes, it's the black mascara. Oh, yes, yes. This is the F-proof, right? It's the Jeffree Star approved. Let's see. What? It's got that on there. Okay. I'm not 100%. I don't know, like, his products, like his full line. This doesn't say it's the F-proof mascara, but this is the Jeffree Star mascara. It just says Jeffree Star approved mascara. That's all it says. And that it's in the color black. And then it comes in this really cool box here. Okay. All right, let's open it up. It's got the little whip on the end. Let's open it up and see. Okay. I am very excited about this. Very, very excited. Okay, yeah, I love a good mascara. All right. Okay, we are doing good so far. Okay, I got that. All right, cool. Okay, what have we got? Maybe we can feel 2 more things. One feels like another lip product. What have we got here? We have a velour liquid lipstick in the shade Christmas Cookie. Okay. Let me show you right there. I don't know if you can see that, but you can kind of see the shade there. This looks kind of like a brown color, pinky brown color there. Let's swatch. Oh, it is a pinky brown. Oh, yeah, I kind of like this. Okay, let me try this one on too. Okay, this is a really nice color too. We've got that going on. Let's see here, though, if we can make it a little bit darker. I'm going to use that same lip gloss. The one I'm using is the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Candy Milk, the cream. So, yeah, that's a really pretty color. I am excited. Okay. All right, Jeffree Star, you've gone 3 for 3 so far. And the last thing is in a little cube box. What we have here, it is the lip scrub. All right, we got another lip scrub. I have one over here. It is in Cantaloupe, I think. Yeah, I've got a little lip scrub in Cantaloupe. What are you? You are in lemon ice box cookies. Okay, I already have this one. I have it in my restroom over there. I don't know. Let me just open this up. And no, it's already sealed. No, it's not sealed on this side. Okay. Get it out and show you, but I might put this in a future giveaway since I already have it. This is what it looks like here. I'm not going to open it up, but let me show you what the Cantaloupe one looks like. It looks like this, and it, oh my gosh, the smell. And the icebox cookies one smell just like lemon icebox cookies. Oh my gosh, his sugar lip scrubs are, yes, beautiful. I think these were very good picks for the mystery gifts. Let me know what you think down below. I'm going to put up here what I paid for them, shipping and all of that, and what the retail value is as well of these products. I think I got a good, like I said, a good set of items. Okay, just trying to add a little bit of that drill sergeant in there as well. Make it a little bit darker too. Okay, I'm especially excited about that mascara. Let me know if you got any mystery treats, if you got the Halloween mystery boxes. I would love to know all the details, what you got, what your favorite thing was, anything like that, okay? All right, so there we go. Let me know all your thoughts down in the comment section. Okay, and share this video with your friends if you think they would like it. But thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you so much, whether you are a subscriber, you are a casual viewer, you are this is your very first time watching one of my videos. Thank you so much if that is the case. If you like what you see and you want to see more, then please consider hitting subscribe, hitting that notification bell, setting it all. So I'm obsessed with my lips right now, so that you're notified every time that I upload a new video. Okay, so I hope you're having a wonderful, a fantastic day out there today. If you're having an especially hard time, know that I am thinking about you. I'm sending you all of those good vibes. Just remember to stay strong, stay healthy, and stay safe out there. And I will see you in another video soon. Just stay well till then. Okay, goodbye.